Hey guys, welcome to Active Art. My name is Laura and we're doing some acrylic pouring today. I am revisiting this little gadget that I made out of the thermoplastic moldable stuff. I think I called it a kangaroo pour was the title on the previous video because it has 5 legs. Anyway, I used a square canvas for that one, and we'll try a little bit with this one, and then I'm probably going to do a little bit of a swirl in the middle and see what we can come up with. How the legs interact with the paint was kind of interesting the first time. The colors I was using, it ended up having like a 70s vibe to it. This may not. Although I am going to use kind of lighter colors again. But throw in some metallics and different things. We'll start with just a little bit of white. And let's try some darker blue. I'll get a little bit on the sides on there on purpose. And I really like how orange goes with blue. Probably see that in a few of my videos. And I like how copper goes with the orange. Some of the paintings, just how both the colors and the weights of the pigments and that sort of thing, how they end up layering together. That's what I'm referring to when I say I like how they play together or go together. So not just the shades and the colors and the hues, but throw a little bit of pink in here too. Spice it up just a little bit. A little fun pop of color. Okay, get back to some white. Go back in. You start to see how it drags the colors in a little bit. I'm thinking about putting some brown in there, but I think I might actually use some black. Okay. At least that one I knocked over was a closed bottle. A little more white. You don't have to be in a hurry when you're doing this. The paints aren't going anywhere. Well, hopefully they are going somewhere. But kind of wanting them to interact with this a little bit. Now I'm not going to use, when I did the one before, I kind of just poured until it hit the edge of the canvas and tried not to tilt it too much. But with this one, I am probably not going to do that. I want to start tilting it here pretty soon. Well, the gold's actually showing up a little bit more than the copper on the outside, but I don't know. Got a little bit of a skin going on there. Yeah. But that's from the flow trough. I haven't had these paints out long enough. This particular paint I haven't. I mixed up not too long ago today, so that was probably just a miss off the flow trough. It'll do that sometimes. Touch more here. I'm going to end up stretching this out a lot, I think. All right. Let's see if I can do this and keep that in place. That way when I tilt it, I get a little extra. Yeah, see, there's plenty of weight in the center of that canvas. Sorry about that. My overhead camera mount is outside at the moment because it's cooled off for about a minute. It cooled off enough to be spray painting outside, but quickly climbed back up to the 90s. Alright. Well, now I kind of